Welcome to the Traveler for Life YouTube channel. In this video we will visit the Bloemenmarkt, flower market, in Amsterdam as one of the city's most famous attractions. The market is situated along the Singel Canal between Muntplein and Koningsplein in the heart of Amsterdam, and it's the only floating flower market in the world. The stalls are located on houseboats, a nod to Amsterdam's historical connection with water. The flower market is full of fresh flowers, including tulips, roses, daffodils, and orchids. Bulbs for planting, such as tulip bulbs, which can be purchased as souvenirs. Other souvenirs, cheese, clogs, postcards, and more. Typically open from Monday to Saturday, 9 a.m. to 5:30 p.m. and Sundays, 11 a.m. to 5:30 p.m. While locals don't frequent the market for flowers, it's a quintessential tourist experience. Embrace it as a colorful and lively part of Amsterdam's charm. If you're traveling internationally, ensure you purchase tulip bulbs with a phytosanitary certificate to comply with customs regulations. Certified bulbs are safe for export and typically labeled as such. Prices at the market may be higher than elsewhere in the Netherlands because of its tourist appeal. Bargaining isn't common, but it's worth comparing prices between stalls. There is more to watch and hear in this video. Have fun watching.
No, no, però aquí a che entramos.
Видишь, я люблю все-таки город. А ты меня типа...
Cocciopino un po' ti passa la voglia di...
Ele, sigarito.
I hope you found this video helpful. If you did, please share it with your friends and consider subscribing for more content. Thanks for watching.